the camera, it looks like this side looks lower now.
Yeah, the left side is high. Okay.
I know, it's so crazy.
All right.
Yeah, it feels good.
You all right?
Jesus! She could have bag of bones or something.
Can I put my hand through?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Whoa. That's a little bit tight here. Okay.
Oh, that was a big one.
That was huge.
Did you hear that?
Okay. Okay, take some breathing. Breathe. Okay. You alright?
Yeah. It's just a surprise.
A surprise, yeah. A little bit surprised to make you taller. Okay.
Yeah.
Feeling okay?
Yeah, feeling good.